Good morning. We're working on raising these two millstones at this time. And take a look at this. We're looking at something right here that hadn't seen the light of day in a long, long time. Who knows the last time this top stone was moved over to redress? I'm sure it's been many, many years ago. And check this out. We're actually using the horse crane original to this mill with the yokes coming down, the original pins we found over in a box over to the side. The mechanism works, and we have raised this up to be able to expose this so that we can move this out of the way. You see, we got it moving a little bit here. We can actually swing this baby around just like they used to many, many years ago. You never know on a job like this what we need to do, but we actually have to remove these two stones, get them and set them over out of our way in order to be able to work on the wooden structure that's up underneath it. It needs a little reinforcing. We got some new material we've got to put in, because ultimately at the end we're going to reset these stones back and hopefully get this to turn around and around again. Right now, all is going good, and we're well on our way in preserving the past for the future.